Want to stop Windows clock alarms from making a sound? Whether you need a quieter reminder or prefer visual notifications, Windows gives you several ways to manage alarm sounds. In this guide, I'll show you how to mute alarm sounds in Windows Clock in 2026. First, open the Start menu and search for Clock. Select the Windows Clock app to launch it. Once the app opens, choose Alarms from the navigation menu. Find the alarm whose sound you want to change and open its settings. If you have multiple alarms, check the time and name carefully so you modify the correct one. Look for the sound option in the alarm settings. Depending on your Windows version, you may be able to choose from different alarm sounds. If there isn't a direct mute option, you can use Windows notification and volume settings to control how the alarm is heard. If your version of Windows Clock provides a suitable sound option, select a quieter sound instead of a loud alarm tone. This lets you keep the alarm active while reducing how disruptive the notification is. Another option is to adjust the Windows volume when you need the alarm to be quieter. Click the volume icon on the taskbar and lower the system volume. Keep in mind that changing the main volume can affect other sounds from your computer as well. You can also review Windows notification settings if you want to control how clock notifications appear. Open Settings, go to System, then Notifications, and look for the available clock notification options. After changing the settings, test the alarm to make sure it behaves the way you expect. Remember that completely silencing Windows audio may also mute other applications, so check your volume settings before relying on the alarm for an important reminder. And that's how to mute or reduce alarm sounds in Windows Clock in 2026. Depending on your Windows version, you can adjust the alarm sound, system volume, and notification settings to create a quieter experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.